So we just finished Stock Smarts Qatar. Here are some tips on how you can save and invest. And even if you're an OFW, how can you actually make your money work hard for you? Because at the end of the day, what you have here, you won't be here forever. So you need to learn how to make it grow, make it work hard for you, so that even when you come back to the Philippines, your money is big, strong, and better than where it was before. So check this out. So let's go to our tips wherever you are, whatever you're doing. First tip is that you need to hustle, you need to work, you need to push, you need to work as hard as you can, as often as you can. And use the time though, if you are still young, work hard at your job for 8 hours, but after that, do as much business as you can, 9, 10, 11, 12, try to find ways to build those businesses, build those skills. When I was starting out, I remember it, first job ko, after my work, I would find other ways, not just to do business, but also learn the skill, learn the craft. Why? Please remember this, it's your skill that will elevate you to the next level. Try to find ways to build skills that later on, it could possibly be a business for you, but while you're starting, keep on hustling, keep on working, keep on doing the things that you need to do at the very start, because as you start doing it, as you start trying it, that's where, I don't know, the skill set will start to build you. That's where how good you are, that's where you will see your skills and talents. You don't have to try to overthink a lot of the things. No? The best way to actually make money is as you're practicing, you will find out, oh, this business is not for me, this business is not for me, this business is not for me. But as you start doing it, you actually find out, hey, I'm actually good at this, I'll do this, then I'll try to scale it. But if you try, no matter who the president is, kasi kung tamad kayo, if you don't work hard, it won't really help you. The road to financial freedom is you pushing, working, and doing as much as you can for you to reach your goals of financial freedom. So work hard, hustle, push as much as you can, try to do as much as you can, as often as you can. Try to also build that skill set. Hustle, sweat equity is one of the greatest weapons that you ever have. You might not have capital, but you have the ability to work hard, you have the ability to work smart, you have the ability to push as strong and as fast as you can as well. So that's tip number 1, hustle, work, push. Tip number 2, now that you have something, that you have a skill set, you have something that you know will pay you a lot of money, the next possible and plausible step for you is to find something that can scale, find something that you can leverage, find something where you can build systems already where your money can work hard for you. Here's the thing, you don't have to start a business yet if you don't have the skill set also for it. Because if you do businesses, if you start something walang skill, well, you know what's gonna happen? Mawawala yun eh, mawawala yung pera. A lot of money does not give you, I guess, it's not an escape door for you to start your business already. A lot of money also is not an escape door. Hey, I have a lot of money, I can now start business. No, if you have a lot of money, no skill, and no experience yet, you will lose it. So why am I saying this? Once you start developing your skill, if you're good at marketing, try to start a marketing business, or try to do consulting. Or if it's not marketing or consulting, try to find a product or a service that you believe in so much and market it like crazy. That's the way you do it. Find something that from your skill set, from your hustle, that you believe and you know already is something that will be amazing, is something that will that you can distribute it for a larger and broader market as well. And the advantage now is this: the internet is one of the largest ways for you to be able to bring your product out there. So we are at the greatest time, the greatest moment to make money. Why? Because the internet has made everything easy for you, for everyone around the world to know what your product or your service is. You don't need the billboards, you don't need millions of marketing budgets to be able to get the word out. You just need social media platforms for you to be able to get your name out there, get your brand out there, get your product or service out there as well. So that's what we're talking about. That's what we need. We need more Filipinos to actually take the jump, take the leap. But don't take the leap blindly. You start from what you know, you start from what you're good at, you start from your skill set. You start from your skill set. And I don't know, but this is something that isn't talked about as much. A lot of the times we always talk about save as much money, try to save as much, try to budget the nitty-gritty, and that's all good. I'm a big follower of budget budgeting. I'm a big follower of saving. But why do you have to limit your dream? Why don't you just push? Why don't you just try to find ways to make more money as well? Why? Because when you make more money, you can also buy the stuff that you want. And saving and budgeting is a tool for you to be able to allocate the areas for that. But pag kulang talaga, the best way for it is for you to scale and grow your business as well. That's tip number 2. So tip number 3, you need to invest. You need to stockpile that earnings from your high skill hustle, from your job, from the earnings from your job, from your skill, from your businesses. Every time it starts earning money, don't spend it yet. The problem of a lot of people as they start earning money is they try to enjoy it. No, don't enjoy it yet. Hustle first. When I was starting out, the first 3, 4, 5 years, I wouldn't spend as much. And what would I do? The money that I would get, I would just roll it over. And that's where the stock market comes in. I really believe the stock market is one of the greatest ways for you to be able to let your money grow. The stock market is one of the greatest ways for you to make your money grow over the long term. You need to find an investment that over a course of 5, 10, 15, 20 years, it will give you repetitive gains. It doesn't matter if you lose on certain years, but what's important is over the long term, it will grow what you have. And what's amazing about that is this: you can take more risk. And why am I saying you can take more risk? Because you have a steady cash flow already coming from your hustle. You have a steady cash flow already coming from your leverage business. You have a steady cash flow already coming from whatever businesses that you are putting in. So that's how you do it. You build wealth upon wealth upon wealth. Use the businesses, use your hustle, use the amount, the big cash that you are getting from your high-paid jobs to allow you to build more assets. And what's amazing about that is this: as assets build upon assets upon assets upon assets, it's that assets that will give you cash flow, and it's that cash flow that will allow you to live passively. And regardless of where you are, as long as you have your assets build passive income for you, that's when the money's made, and that's when you can live your life in financial freedom. So that's it for now. So if you are from Qatar, thank you so much for everyone joining our session. The flight is about to go already. You're hearing the engine to be a bit noisy already. So